A sea of change, witnessing the unthinkable. The ocean, a vast and seemingly immutable expanse, is changing colors before our very eyes. This dramatic alteration is not a figment of our imagination, but a stark reality captured by satellites orbiting our planet. The evidence is irrefutable. Our oceans are undergoing a profound transformation, and the implications are as vast as the seas themselves. The changing colors of our oceans are a clear and urgent message from our planet, a warning that we can no longer ignore. The time to act is now, before the vibrant tapestry of life in our oceans fades away, leaving behind a muted and uncertain legacy. The science of shifting hues, phytoplankton, and the ocean's palette. The ocean's colors are not merely aesthetic, they are a reflection of the microscopic life teeming within. Phytoplankton, tiny plant-like organisms, are the primary drivers of this chromatic display. Like all plants, phytoplankton contain chlorophyll, a pigment that absorbs sunlight for photosynthesis, giving them a greenish hue. Warmer waters, however, can disrupt this delicate balance, leading to changes in phytoplankton populations and consequently shifts in the ocean's color. These shifts in phytoplankton populations have a direct impact on the ocean's color, altering the delicate balance of life within its depths. Beyond the surface, unraveling the climate connection. The changing colors of our oceans are a symptom of a much larger and more concerning issue: climate change. The warming of our planet, driven by the increasing concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, is having a profound impact on our oceans. These changes are driving the shifts in phytoplankton populations and the resulting color changes we are witnessing. The ocean plays a crucial role in regulating Earth's climate, absorbing vast amounts of heat from the atmosphere. However, as the planet warms, the ocean is absorbing more heat than it can handle, leading to rising sea levels, ocean acidification, and changes in ocean currents. These changes have far-reaching consequences, impacting not just marine life, but also coastal communities and human societies around the world. A world out of balance. The domino effect of warming waters. As our oceans continue to warm, the delicate balance of marine ecosystems is being thrown into disarray. Phytoplankton, the foundation of the marine food web, are particularly vulnerable to these changes. Warmer waters can lead to ocean stratification, where layers of water with different temperatures form, preventing the mixing of nutrients from the depths with surface waters. This stratification can limit the availability of essential nutrients for phytoplankton, hindering their growth and leading to declines in their populations. The warming of our oceans also creates conditions that are more favorable for harmful algal blooms, some of which can produce toxins that are harmful to marine life and humans alike. The changing colors of our oceans are a visible manifestation of these complex and interconnected impacts, a reminder that our actions have far-reaching consequences for the natural world. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, are among the most diverse and productive ecosystems on Earth. These underwater cities, teeming with life, are particularly vulnerable to the impacts of climate change, including rising water temperatures and ocean acidification. As our oceans continue to warm, coral reefs are experiencing widespread bleaching events, leading to the loss of their vibrant colors and threatening the delicate balance of life that depends on them. Coral reefs are formed by tiny animals called polyps, which secrete a hard calcium carbonate skeleton that forms the structure of the reef. However, when water temperatures rise too high, the coral polyps become stressed and expel the zooxanthellae from their tissues, causing the coral to turn white or pale. As coral reefs bleach and die, the intricate web of life that depends on them for food and shelter is also at risk. The changing colors of our oceans are not just an environmental concern, they have profound implications for human societies as well. Fisheries, a vital source of food and livelihood for millions of people around the world, are particularly vulnerable to the impacts of climate change and the resulting shifts in marine ecosystems. As fish populations decline or migrate to cooler waters in response to warming seas, coastal communities that rely on these resources face economic hardship and food insecurity. The tourism industry, another major economic driver in many coastal regions, is also at risk as coral reefs bleach and die, and beaches erode due to rising sea levels. The loss of these natural attractions can have devastating impacts on local economies, leading to job losses and reduced revenue. The changing colors of our oceans are a stark reminder that the health of our planet and the well-being of human societies are inextricably linked. Section 7. the uncertain future, navigating uncharted waters. The changing colors of our oceans are a stark reminder that we are living in a time of unprecedented environmental change. The future of our oceans, and indeed our planet, depends on the choices we make today. By reducing our greenhouse gas emissions, investing in renewable energy sources, and protecting our oceans from pollution and overfishing, we can mitigate the impacts of climate change and create a more sustainable future for all. By working together, we can chart a new course for our planet, one that recognizes the interconnectedness of all life and the importance of protecting our oceans for generations to come. The choices we make today will determine the fate of our oceans and the future of life on Earth. To Section 8, a call to action, our shared responsibility for a blue planet. The changing colors of our oceans are not merely a scientific curiosity, they are a wake-up call, a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet and the urgent need for action. We can no longer afford to be passive observers. We must become active stewards of our oceans, working together to protect and preserve this vital ecosystem for generations to come. Each and every one of us has a role to play in addressing this global challenge. By embracing renewable energy sources, promoting energy efficiency, and advocating for policies that address climate change, we can collectively create a more sustainable future. Beyond individual actions, we must also demand action from our leaders, urging them to prioritize environmental protection, invest in research and innovation, and implement policies that promote ocean health. Section 9, the power of innovation, harnessing technology for ocean conservation. In the face of these challenges, innovation and technology offer a beacon of hope. Scientists and engineers around the world are working tirelessly to develop new tools and strategies to monitor ocean health, mitigate the impacts of climate change, and restore damaged ecosystems. From autonomous underwater vehicles that can collect data on ocean conditions to advanced satellite imagery that can track changes in ocean color, technology is providing us with unprecedented insights into the complex workings of our oceans. These technological advancements are empowering us to monitor ocean health in real time, identify areas of concern, and develop targeted interventions. Innovative solutions are being developed to address specific challenges, such as ocean acidification and plastic pollution. Section 10, Hope on the Horizon, collective action for a vibrant future. Despite the challenges we face, there is reason for hope. Around the world, individuals, communities, and governments are coming together to address the climate crisis and protect our oceans. From grassroots movements demanding action on climate change to international agreements aimed at reducing greenhouse gas emissions, there is a growing recognition that we must act now to safeguard the future of our planet. By embracing a spirit of collaboration, innovation, and collective responsibility, we can create a future where our oceans are healthy, vibrant, and teeming with life for generations to come. Let us rise to the challenge, harness our collective wisdom, and create a future where both humanity and nature can thrive.